everyone, JT here again from Lacombe Ford. Thanks for voting for the truck. As you can see behind me, you guys picked the black Lariat. It's in the shop right now waiting to get the Supercharger installed. Let's go check it out. So we're here with Derek. He's our ROUSH installer. He's going to be putting this wonderful Supercharger here on this engine, which is going to force air into the engine, which makes it burn more fuel, and there we're going to get our 650 horsepower. I'm going to let Derek get to work on the truck, so stay tuned for our wheels pull, and then you get to pick what we're going to put on it next. So, while the truck's getting supercharged, the next thing we need is for you guys to pick what wheels we're going to put on the truck. Here next to me I have the fuel hostage wheel, which is one of our options. Go click the link in the comments below where you can see this option and our other option for wheels. Let us know which one we should put on the truck. Once again, I'm JT Park from Lacombe Ford, your Central Alberta certified ROUSH dealer. If you want to ROUSH your ride, please give me a call. I'll be more than happy to help you. Stay tuned for our next video on the following Monday, where we'll be giving you an update on the truck and launching our next poll. Have a great day.